Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are not new, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in this video today, I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys my June 2020 Allure box right here. There it is. And then I also wanted to share with you guys my spring Walmart box as well. So I did get these in the mail, and because Walmart doesn't have very much in it, I thought we can go ahead and just do both of them at the same time. So Walmart subscription box is a 4-season box, so you get it for every season. So you have winter, spring, summer, and fall, and you'll get a box. Basically the box is free, but you pay the $5 shipping. I will leave Walmart's information linked down below if you want to try it out. They do send some really nice things. I think for $5 you cannot beat it. It's definitely something that everyone I think should have because it's definitely affordable, and it does give you some different and unique products to try. Some will be makeup, and it also ranges to other things as well. I've gotten deodorant, I've gotten supplements, things like that. So like I said, all the information will be linked down below in the description bar. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to ask me down in the comments as well. So the first thing that I see when I open the box is the Salon Perfect Design Nail Sets. This contains 24 nails like that. They're gray with like gold, and they look like they're the stiletto shape. Very, very pretty. I cannot wait to try these. I may use these when I'm on vacation. They're super, super pretty, and I've been really into nails. I've been debating on whether or not to go get my nails redone again and all of that, and I decided that I don't want to do that. My nails are starting to get healthy again, so just painting them or using press-ons, and you can now find so many pretty press-ons at the Dollar Tree. They're really coming up with those, and they have glue and all of that, so definitely gonna be holding off on getting my nails done anytime soon. The next thing that I see in here is Hello Anti-Plaque Whitening Fluoride Free Toothpaste in Natural Peppermint. It's with tea tree and coconut oil. It is a 1 fluid ounce. This is going to be perfect for my upcoming vacation because, you know, this will be really, really good because it's small. And I have tried the Hello brand toothpaste, and I do like it. I don't think it's bad at all, and so this is nice to have. So the next thing I see is the Soft Hello Charcoal Infused Tapered Bristles toothbrush. I'm super excited to have this because I had purchased, all of us, my husband and my kids and myself, one of these from TJ Maxx for $2.99. And when I was working at Ulta still, this has been some time, but when I was working at Ulta still, my dog, she was a puppy at that time, she got a hold of mine and she completely demolished it. So I never actually got to try this, but all of them did. So I was really, really excited to see that this was in the box because now I can finally give it a try and see if it is something that I do like. Okay, the next thing I see is the Natural Vitality Calm Magnesium Supplement. This is Raspberry Lemon, and it looks like that. It says here that you just place it in 2 to 3 ounces of warm water and let it fizz until the powder is completely dissolved and experience calm. So it says it's a distress with a moment of calm. It says 5 ways to practice self-care is take a 10-minute walk during your lunch break. Okay, that's not what it's. So basically this is something to just kind of, if you're feeling kind of stressed, or you just take this and it calms you down. I will look up more information on it because I'm not real quick to take supplements that I'm not aware of because my body doesn't react really well, but I'll definitely look into that and see what all is behind it, and if it's anything that won't affect me, I will definitely be giving it a try and using it. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is the Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal, great for your oily skin, deep cleans and radiates self-love, purifying, daily purifying cleanser. Can I talk? Not really. Ooh, it smells really, really nice. There's not a seal on it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I may pass this to my husband or even to my daughter because she's more on the oily side. I am not. Although this looks very enticing to try. This will be good for her to bring for her and my husband on vacation because they both are oily. They do like the Biore brand. They use the nose strips and the charcoal mask. So they may both enjoy that. Okay, then the last thing that I see in here is the Suave Professionals Curl Defining Cream. So it looks like they sent me 2 of them. They are 0.51 fluid ounces. They're a decent sized pack. For my daughter's hair, she could probably get 1, maybe 2 uses out of one of them, and then my son could probably get several. I do not have very curly hair anymore because of all the coloring and the dyeing, but my kids do. Both of them, my daughter has really, really tight curls, and then my son has pretty, not super tight, but they're not loose. They're kind of in between, and they both have been really enjoying a lot of the curl creams lately and been trying a ton of them just to kind of see which ones that they like better. So this will be a great way to try these out and see if they like these. It did come with a little card that says that it's for natural hair, no parabens, no dyes, color safe, care for your curls, coils, and waves with products influenced by a community of over 5,000 women with natural hair. It looks like that. And then it does show some other products that they have in this line. And it has a coupon that you could use by the end of this month for $2.50 off of any one of the natural hair care products. That is everything that I got in the Walmart box. So I think for $5, it's definitely was a box that's worth it. Like I said, the box is pretty much free. You're just paying for the shipping itself. And I think that that is definitely worth the $5. So if you have not checked out the Walmart box, definitely check it out. So moving on to the Allure box. You guys know that I love Allure. It's one of my favorite subscription boxes. It's $15 a month. With tax, it comes to $16.35, somewhere around there. Little pamphlet in here. And we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I see on top is the Pure Elise Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. It says gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies, and energizes for all skin types. It looks like that. Sorry. And it is a 3.4 fluid ounce. This is pretty exciting. So, oh wow, that's a really good size. I'm really, really excited to give this a try. I'm already using something right now, actually 2 things, but I may just implement this like in the morning for my morning time or vice versa, because it's gonna be a while before I finish up any of that cleanser that I'm currently using, because it's a big bottle. But this looks really, really nice. So I'm excited to give this a try. It does say here that it's infused with white tea and whole oat to gently wash away dirt, impurities, and makeup in one simple step. This soothing multitasker leaves skin pure, clean, and free of toxins without stripping skin of its natural oils. So that sounds really, really good. That does retail for $18. PureLease.com and enter Allure Cleanser at the checkout to receive 20% off from now until August 31st. Okay, next item that I see is the Belief True Cream Aqua Balm Aloe Vera, soothing and hydrating with aloe complex. I have tried Belief products before. You guys probably have seen that on my channel. This is a 0.33 fluid ounce. It says it's a pretty green color. You can see that in the lid right there. I do love the Belief skincare products, so I'm really excited to have this. This will be really good to bring traveling just because of the size and because I know that I will enjoy it. Let's go ahead and look at the price for that. And I'm pretty sure that's a deluxe sample size. It's not the actual, because the full size comes at 1.68 fluid ounces, and it is, you can purchase it on Sephora.com. It does retail for $38, and their products are like gel-like consistency, so if you don't like that, you may not like them, but they're not heavy at all. They just are very hydrating and feel really, really good. They dry really quick on the skin. So although I have super dry skin, you would think that gel-like formulas I'm unable to use, but the belief I can. They're really, really hydrating on my skin. So if you have more of drier skin or even oily, I think that you would enjoy this. Okay, next thing I see is the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. These are salon gel nail strips. And it says there's 34 strips in here, and this is what it looks like. Super pretty. So it has a gray up here, then these kind of sparkly ones down here, like detailed ones. So that's really nice. It's here that these are $9. You can get them on dashingdiva.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off. It says that the gloss gel strips have lots of shine and lasting designs. It says they're easy to apply. Just clean your nails and then put it on, and you use a filer. So yeah, these are really pretty. I've been getting a lot of nail things. You guys just saw the Walmart one, so I'm really, really excited to try these. I am definitely trying to save money on having to go get my nails done. Okay, the next thing that I see in here is the Yensa Super 8 oil. This is Pink Shine. This is an oil gloss or balm, I would say. It has 8 super oils: coconut oil, vitamin E, rice bran, avocado seed, carrot seed, chia seed, black sesame seed, flaxseed oil. And it looks like this. It's very pretty packaging, and it's a decent size. Now, I'm not going to open this or use this because I did get one in a Ipsy box a couple months back, maybe towards the beginning of the year. I do really, really like it, but there's no sense in having two, especially because I am already starting to use that one and it's not going to go very quickly. So I will definitely be holding on to this, either putting it aside for a family member, a friend, or even maybe for a trade, or if somebody wants this. So yeah, I do like that. It retails for $28, which is pretty pricey for a lip oil, but it is a really nice one. I have tried it. I do like it. If you go to yensa.com, you enter Allure20, Allure Lip 20 at checkout, and you can receive 20% off from June 1st to July 31st. Okay, the next thing that I see in here is the Shang Pri Spa Care System Gold Black Pearl Eye Masks. This comes with a set of 2, so 2 masks. It says it has black pearl, gold, and rose enriched with this advanced concentrated essence. Helps improve firmness, smooth fine lines, reduce puffiness, and diminish dark circles for brighter and more youthful looking eyes. I have really been into eye masks lately, so that is really nice to have gotten that. And if they do work, I'll definitely be getting more because you can always use those. Full size retails for $60 on Amazon.com. If you enter Shang Pri 30 at checkout, you can receive 30% off of the eye masks from May 21st to July 31st. To purchase the full size, which is $60, like I said, it says you get 60 patches in 1 tube that will last an entire month. So yeah, I'm really excited about trying these. I'll definitely let you guys know what I think because I do have dry under eyes, and so I am hoping that will help. Okay, so the last item in the box is the Star Skin 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. Looks like that. Okay, and it does retail for $10 on starskin.com. If you will enter Allure20 at checkout, you can receive 20% off from June 1st to August 1st. 2-step two-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam that is nice to do right before bed. It's a hydrating, has fatty acids which plump up the super dry skin and antioxidants. You guys know already, I'm not big on sheet masks. I've tried and I've tried and I've tried them. I just don't like the way they feel on my face. So yeah, I'm not even gonna try to use this and waste it. It does sound really promising. It sounds like it would be so good for my skin, but I know that I won't use it or like it just because of the fact that I don't like the feeling on my face. So there's no sense in me wasting it. I may see if a friend wants this, or pass it to a family member, but yeah, I won't use it. It does sound really, really good. If I'm being honest, guys, I just can't see myself using it because I definitely don't want to waste it either. So yeah, that's going to be a good treat for someone. Also, the Yensa lip oil for $28. That alone paid for the box, like I said. So this was $28. This was $10, I believe. The full size for this was $60, so I'm gonna say this was probably, so I would say these are $2. And then these were $9. The Belief deluxe sample size, I would say if you were to get this at, even if at Sephora, it's gonna be about 10 to 15 for this size. And then you have the Pure Lease, if I'm saying that correctly, which was $18. So this alone paid for the box, and I'm happy with every single thing that I got. Again, the oil I'm passing on just because I have one and it's still new. And then the mask just because I don't do those because I'm weird like that. But yeah, I loved everything in this month's box. I cannot wait to try all of these products. So many great things in here, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So many great things in here. Definitely check out Allure if you haven't already. I will leave the Allure website down in the description below. I don't believe I have an affiliate link with them, but if I do, I will leave it down below as well. It doesn't pay me or anything like that. It just takes you there quicker. And like with BoxyCharm or Ipsy, it does give you points. I don't know if Allure does because I haven't actually tried it, but I will take a look and see. But yeah, that's everything that I got in my spring Walmart box. Again, $5 for that box. And my Allure, which retails for $15 with tax $16.35. So I definitely think that they're both great boxes. So if you haven't checked them out, definitely do that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you are not subscribed, to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And share this video and comment down below if you get these subscriptions and what you might have gotten different in your box than I did. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I hope that you guys have a very good day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.